tram line. And here it comes. Here's the tram line.
Next stop, Fix. Please descend down from the right side of the tram. Thank you.
Tram. And this is a new one, thanks to European Union funding, thanks to my tax. Look at the state. That's the wow, look at this, folks. Tram that never came. Tram. Children of the future is going to see this as their only future. And that was a tram like this. Look at that new tram. I don't know how long that's going to last before it get all painted over with the aberrancy. And it is just incredible, right? I'm lost once again, looking for a tram to get home. A tram that never came. Instead, I sought to have a sit and wait. A tram that never came. A tram that came and served the community until got a bad name. Left here as a museum piece, only to be decorated by aberrancy of graffiti. All the walls around the entire community is covered with graffiti, including this. They've been cleaning it. They ain't going to stop the unsteady hand. Right? Yeah. There we go, folks. Fabulous. Incredible work, piece of art. Is it a piece of art or simply a painful sight for the young and for the future? Time will tell. The freedom without responsibility is where we are today. Freedom without conscious responsibility is a disaster. Freedom without relevant education for the times that we live is a disaster. Waiting to happen. But that's what we've asked for. That's what we get. It's time for me to head out, and time for me to reflect on a city after 10 years later, coming to see sea of progress? I don't know. I can see very few are progressing. The rest are being held back or shackled. Wow. Is there people living here? Nice. Wow. That's don't even see that in India.